What's that, chapstick? Ooh.
Bubbles. It's bubbles.
You got bubbles?
Yeah. Yeah, bubbles. 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 Please. Please.
Pony's book?
Hi. Look. 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 Oops. Sorry.
What kind of book is that?
What's in there?
Itchy. Yay! Yay! Penny.
You got a penny?
Yeah.
I think it's shiny. That means, and it's silver. That means it's not a penny. It's either a nickel.
Nope.
It's not a nickel.
Come over there.
You can do it.
Oh, I love penny. It's penny.
It's a nickel.
Yeah, it's a nickel.
Look at your cute bunny basket. Is that a cute bunny basket?
Yes.
What color is it? Is it purple?
Oh, Molly egg.
Another nickel?
Yeah, Molly.
All your eggs are full of money.
Yeah. Oh, different. Oh, the penny. Oh.
Should we go hide your eggs so you can find them?
Nope. Oh, it's my thanks. Thanks.
Can you say goodbye to the camera? Say bye-bye.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Say Happy Easter.
Oh no.
I'll find it. Say Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter, Daddy.